Hi everyone, welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different because it's Super Bowl Sunday, and let's face it, I'm probably going to be drinking beer and not a cocktail. So I decided to switch it up a little bit and do 4 different versions of beer drinks that you can have this Sunday. Even though I make cocktails, my husband and I are just a little bit obsessed with beer. So in case anyone was wondering if we only drink cocktails, the answer is no. We actually both really like beer, and this is part of the beer collection. These are all bomber bottles, and then we've got a bunch more bomber bottles down at the bottom, and then just some like everyday beer kind of in the middle. And then these are all also, some of them are like ciders and stuff. So yeah, we don't just drink cocktails and we do have quite an extensive beer collection. So I'm going to show you how to make a Radler, a Colabier, which is German basically for beer and soda, a Snakebite, and a Black Velvet. These are all combinations of beer with cocktails. So let's get started, and I'm gonna show you how to make these 4 drinks. So today for my Radler, I'm going to use a lager, and I'm going to be using a Great Lakes lager because it's what I have on hand, but any lager will do. And then I'm also going to be using Sprite Zero for my lime soda or lemonade soda component. I'm gonna pour my lager straight into the glass, and I'm gonna go about 50-50. That was a terrible pour. I'm quite aware of it. I have people I know screaming at me right now. So this is the first drink, and this one's called a Radler. This one actually my husband introduced me to when he was in Germany. He said he had Weissbier and cola, and that it was such a great drink that I should do it today. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna pop this one open. Let me do this better this time. We're gonna do 50-50. And then we're gonna top it off with Coke. All right, the third one is a Snakebite, and that is a combination of hard cider or cider beer. I'm going to just be using Angry Orchard today, and then top it off with Guinness. For some reason, that looks like a lot more Guinness than it does cider, but I do swear that it's 50-50. And the last one I'm gonna do is by far the fanciest because we are gonna use some champagne, and this one is called a Black Velvet. So we're gonna put the champagne on the bottom, and just like with the Snakebite, we're going to put the Guinness on top. And then you're just gonna top it off with Guinness. And there you have it. This one is the Black Velvet, which is half champagne, half Guinness. These are 4 beer cocktails or beer beverages you can try this Super Bowl Sunday. Please let me know if you do, and leave a comment below so I know you tried it. I think out of all of them, my favorite is going to be voted as the Snakebite. It tastes really good, and I'm a big fan of Guinness and Stout in general. You don't have to use Guinness for it. You can use any Stout you have. If you have one that's a little bit richer and more robust, you might enjoy that one as well. Guinness just happened to be what I have because we cook our pulled pork with it, and that's what we're having this weekend. And if you're new here, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to know when I upload new videos. I would love for you guys to stick around. I do videos on DIYs, wellness, recipes, and cocktails. Till next time, have a great Super Bowl Sunday. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys later.